In describing fourths, I took 2 points from the graph and used my midpoint formula to plug in the numbers. I took both x and plugged in and simplified to get my answers, and I did the same for the y's. Then I then found my midpoint, which was 6.5 and 13.5. I then found the midpoint from one of the main points in the midpoint by plugging in both x's and both y's as shown below. I simplified to get negative 10.75 and 12.75. I then did the same thing with the other point in the midpoint and came out with 10.75 and 14.25. That's how I found my quarter points.